it.
I'm standing in front of the burnt-out house of Bracha and Shalem. He was one of the original founders of this community. He was great friends with Shlomo Carlebach, and you see now that his house is totally destroyed, like 40 or 50 other houses in this community. And we're here because, as Christians at Bridges for Peace, we're on the ground and we have chosen to stand with Israel in tough times. So today we're comforting, we're listening to their stories, and we're doing what we can. We asked them, what do you need? What do you really need? And they said, we lost all of our laptops. We would really love to have laptops. So we're going to buy laptops. We need your help to pay for those laptops. We're going to be standing with this community going forward. Right now they're in temporary shelter. They don't need or want the big things that will be going back into their homes after they're replaced. But sooner or later, they're going to need washing machines and refrigerators and air conditioners. And I hope that we at Bridges for Peace and Christians all over the world, that we'll be the ones that stand with them and say, yes, we will be there in your time of need. Never before in Israel's history has a whole town been burnt and destroyed. All the infrastructure is gone, all the plumbing, all the electric, everything is gone. It's going to be months before they're able to move back in. You hear them right in the background now singing praises to God. This is the heart of this community, and we can join them as believers in the same God. Join them in their time of need. Thank you.
#rebuild the Moshav.